Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I am also well. I know you are passing a critical moment in this pandemic situation. You are far from your school. For this reason, our Sambal High School has arranged online class for you. Dear student, I have discussed already four important changing of narration. Today I will discuss part 3 or number 5 changing of narration. Dear student, listen to me and look at the whiteboard. Dear student, look at the whiteboard very carefully and listen to me also. Dear student, here we will see can in direct speech we have to change or we have to use in lieu of can, could. Here we will see may. We have to write in lieu of may, might. Here we will see shall, it will, should in lieu of shall. Here we will see will, we have to write would in lieu of will. Here we will see come, we have to write go in lieu of come. Dear student, here we will see next year, next week. We have to write must the following, suggest next year, the following year, suggest next week, the following week. And also when we will see last, we have to write the previous must. Dear student, suggest we can write last week, the previous week in lieu of last week. Dear student, in indirect speech we have to write a year before in lieu of a year ago. We have to write that in lieu of this. We have to write those in lieu of this. We have to write that night in lieu of tonight. We have to write had to in lieu of must. We have to write before in lieu of ago. We have to write so or that way in lieu of thus. Dear student, in indirect speech we have to write the following or the next day in lieu of tomorrow. We have to write the previous day in lieu of yesterday. We have to write the previous night in lieu of last night. Dear student, we have to write dance in lieu of hands. We have to write then THEN in lieu of now. We have to write whether in lieu of hither. Dear student, we have to use had been in lieu of was. Dear student, no more today. Write down please all note for you. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.